Arriba! Good day everyone! Today, we're going to show you a video tutorial on how to use the method overloading of constructors, inheritance, polymorphism, abstract class and abstract methods, and interface. Before we start, may I introduce myself? I am Andrae Sebastean o Alegre, together with my partner, Hannah G. Torres.
For the first topic, we will discuss the method overloading of constructors. So what is the method overloading of constructors? A constructor in Java is a block of code similar to a method called when an instance of an object is created. It's like a special method. So let's have a demonstration. Let's have the class Jollibee. As you can see, I have divided the section as comments so you have a better understanding of how the method overloading of constructors works. First, we will put the private string menu and int price in the attribute. Then in the constructors, we will call the menu and price by the different names so that we can see the difference in this statement. In the methods, we will put public void for twirly and hetty. To get the getter, we will go to insert code and select getter and select all classes. So in the method overloading class, we will display the burger steak and 99. As you can see, the output shows I love burger steak and the price is 99 because we get the value for the string type and the int type.
To begin this lesson, let us know first what is inheritance. To have a superclass to extend or inherit from a class. So for example, we have a class and that particular class, it will inherit in another class. And today, I'll show you on how to use inheritance. So as you can see, we have 4 classes. The inheritance, which is our main, cell phone, our parent class, the Apple and Samsung is our child class, or we call them subclass. So first, we will put the method public void and let's name it myCell and system.out.println cellphone. Next, in Apple class, let us also put the public void myCell and system.out.println and let's name it AppleCell, same as with the Samsung, and you will only change the print to Samsung Cell. In the main, let us call the Apple and Samsung class, and the result will be AppleCell and Samsung Cell. So let's try to remove the code and put inherits to the cell phone, and same as with the Samsung class. As you can see, even if we remove the function, it still prints the cell phone because Apple and Samsung are inherited to the cell phone. And that is how we use inheritance.
Now let's move on to the next topic. So what is polymorphism? Polymorphism is the ability of an object to take on many forms. The most common use of polymorphism in the OOP occurs when a parent class reference is used to refer to a child class object. So let's demonstrate to have a deeper understanding of the lesson. I already added color as a parent class and pink and blue as a child class. In the parent class, we declare an array for color and we will input a hue as a new color and have an array size of 2. Now, let's put the child classes. As you can see, it has no error because they are related to one another. After that, we will put a for loop statement so the array can be looped. And here is the output of the code. As we expected, the output is the system output for pink and the system output for blue. This is the output of the program because the child classes override the parent class. The topic for Java is an abstract class and abstract method. So what is an abstract class? An abstract class is the input method and the subclasses will demonstrate the abstract method. So let's have a demonstration. We will have the dessert as our superclass and we have a subclass ice cream and cake. So we will put abstract class because once you put an abstract on your superclass, You cannot create an instance of an object for that abstract class.
We will input the public abstract void sayyum. In the ice cream, we will also put the sayyum variable, and it will print I love ice cream. The same goes with the cake. We will just copy and paste the code for the ice cream, and we will change the ice cream to cake. In the abstract class, we will put dessert ic equals new ice cream, and we will put ic.sayyum, and we will copy and paste the statement of the ice cream for the cake. As you can see, the output will be I love ice cream and I love cake. This last topic is about interface. What is interface? It is an abstract type that contains a collection of methods and constant variables. So it is like a contract from a class. Somehow, there are similarities with the abstract method. It's just like we need to implement the method. For example, we have a cell phone and there are different models of Apple cell phones. So the class of the Apple will implement the interface of the cell phone. And today, I'll show you on how to use the interface. So let's take the cell phone again as our example. And our cell phone have many apps such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. So inside the Apple, let's implement cell phone, and you will see an error. And just implement all abstract methods. Then remove all row new. After that, system.out.print ln Facebook app in Apple, Instagram app in Apple, Twitter app in Apple, and TikTok app in Apple. Same as with our two cell phones. For example, in Samsung class, just put Facebook app in Samsung, and so on and so forth. Same with the Oppo class. After that, you will call all the class in the main, and the result will be Facebook app in Apple, Instagram app in Apple, TikTok app in Samsung, and Twitter app in Oppo. And that's how interface works.
Thank you and God bless us all.